Okay, so we want to do number 5 in 7.3, which says 4x squared is 4x plus 35. This is a really good opportunity for a graphing thing, because I know what these look like. If I thought about 4x squared as a function, what's that look like? Looks like a parabola, right? And what's the 4 do?
No.
That'd be a plus 4.
Shifts left.
No.
Right.
No.
Up 4, down 4.
No.
Yeah,
This isn't a shift. It's a smush.
Smush.
Well, really, it's a stretch up 4. You guys see that? So it's a grab your picture of your parabola and pull on it, which means that instead of this kind of classic U shape, you're going to get one that's a little bit narrower. Okay, see that? Because you stretched it. Okay, what's this then?
A line.
Yeah, that's a line, right? So what this question's asking is, where does this parabola hit that line? Or does it? Yeah. Okay, so how do I figure out or does it?
0.
Okay, so if I want to apply the quadratic formula, I need to move the
Right side to the left side.
yeah, or the left side to the right side, right? It doesn't really matter. It all needs to go on one side. So what do you do?
Subtract 4x and minus 35.
Okay, so subtract 4x.
And
That'll get us 4x squared minus 4x is 35. And then we'll
subtract 35.
subtract 35 too. So we'll get 4x squared minus 4x minus 35 is 0. Then what?
Yep. Divide by 4.
10 seconds and look at it.
Yeah, so I should spend 10 seconds thinking about factoring. So that's an AC method. I don't want to multiply 4 times 35. Right? Okay, so I'm not doing that. So then what? If I'm going to complete the square, I need to divide by 4, right? If I want to use the quadratic formula, do I need to do anything?
No.
No? We're in quadratic formula section, right? So let's just use it. So what are our A, B, and C? Four, negative 4, and negative 35? Yeah? Okay, cool. Now what?
Write out the equation
Okay, so
and fill in blanks.
I like Story's idea, so let's do that. So we have negative a blank, plus or minus, the square root, something squared, minus 4, something, something, over 2, something. I really do recommend that you write that thing down with the letters in it in the corner. Okay? Or on the top of your test so you don't screw it up. Okay, so I got this. Now what? Plug in some numbers. Okay, so what goes here?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. 4 down below. And then the last one is negative 35.
Okay, so I fill in all the numbers. Then what?
Massage.
Yeah, arithmetic, right? This is really what I traded. I traded all the kind of intellectual difficulties of complete the square for, oh, holy crap, I have a lot of numbers, right? Okay, so I got x is 4 plus or minus
16 minus 16 times 35.
Negative 5.
So somehow sort out the minus sign. I really like to sort out the minus sign first, just because I'm too dumb to keep track of it otherwise. And then on the bottom, what did I have?
8.
8? Okay, so Some of you are getting out calculators, right?
Oh, yeah.
Don't.
576. Or X equals.
Don't.
Well,
Don't multiply that junk out. Why not?
You can just take
You
out
get 560.
Because you get something big, and
you can,
what's in here?
there's
Some 16s, right? So there's a 16 and then 35 more 16s. You guys all see that?
Yeah. No, I
There's
don't.
an even number.
Okay, so there's 37 16s in there. 7? Did I lie to you? I just lied to you. How many 16s are right here?
36.
36. You guys see that? There's 1 here and 35 there for a total of 36. So this is the square root of 36 times 16 all over 8.
So that's the square root of 6.4.
Square root of 6, square root of 36 times the square root of 16 gives me 6 times 4. I don't need the square roots anymore because I used them.
Okay, we still got the same thing. Just
Yep.
different bosses.
So I should get 4 times 6 over 8.
Yep.
So, cool. Now what? Multiply 4 and 6? Okay, you could do that. What else could you do?
Could break down a
Take out.
more.
You could factor a 4 out of this stuff and cancel it. Be careful with that.
5 to 8.
Let's just multiply 4 times 6 and a half. I think that's probably the safest bet. So what's 4 times 6?
24.
Okay, so right now I'm sitting at x is 4 plus or minus 24 over 8, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that means x is, or x is?
1/2 over half.
The minus is 20 over 8, and the plus is 28 over 8. Okay, now what?
5 over 2 would be 28.
What are you canceling out of this? You guys all see that? She's saying this is 5 times 4 over 2 times 4, and then this is a onesie, right? So I don't need it. So I've got 5 halves. And 28 over 8 is 7 halves. Same reason. So what do I write for answers?
Is it negative 5 halves?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Is it negative 5 halves?
It's
Yeah, it's definitely 25.
Thank you. I lost a negative sign somewhere. So what'd you get for your answers?
Those ones?
Those. So x is 7 halves, or x is minus 5 halves. Bam, done. Questions? Where were you? Right in
I was
here.
getting like up to there, I just wasn't super, no, on the point, but I wasn't simplifying
Ah,
it down.
these guys. So you got here and then.
And I was like, oh, that's.
Yeah, so if we wanted the other way, and I think maybe this is a useful thing to talk about. So the other way is to factor a 4 out of the top. So I've got a 4, and 8 is 4 times 2, right? What do I multiply by 4 to get this stuff? 1 plus or minus 6. You guys all see that? And then this is a onesie. I don't need it. And I'm left with 1 plus or minus 6 over 2, which will give me these two things.